Hello everyone, welcome to online class of computer. This is Mansi Mukherjee, your computer teacher. Before I start, I would like you to remind you, please like, share and subscribe my channel for new notification. Let's start.
So let us understand now how to protect our computer system from viruses and malware. In my previous video, I have told you what is virus, what is malware. They are both a different thing, right? Malware can be a virus. Okay? So, virus comes under the category of malware, rather we say. Malware is a malicious software, right? So in that we have learned some symptoms also. If our computer is infected with the virus, so there are some symptoms that tell us that computer has been infected with the malicious software or malware. Now it's a high time we understand the tips and the precautionary measures that we should take to protect our computers. The first foremost important thing is keep software up to date. Whatever software you are using, it should be kept up to date with the latest technology and it should be updated. Don't click on the links within email. If any link are there within the email, you should not click. It could be a virus, it could be a spyware, it could be a adware, so be aware of those things. Use antivirus software and keep it updated. While using antivirus software, you should keep in mind to make that software up to date with the virus definition. Why we update the antivirus software? So that it can protect the computer system from the virus which has been latest invented or latest been there in the internet, okay, or any other system. Backup your computer. Don't rely on the system. Once you have made everything on your system, you should keep a backup either in the form of hard copy or either in the form of floppy disk or any other CD. So keeping a backup is an intelligent approach. Use a strong password. Why we should use a strong password? So that no one can easily detect and use it for their malicious purpose. Use a firewall. Look here, firewall. So this is the internet vault and this is the our home internet connection, home network connection. So firewall protect any virus attack from the internet, right? So keep a firewall protection for the computer system. Minimize download. You know, generally attacks are done or generally virus came to your system and there is a lot of downloads, especially downloading of games. So you have to minimize that, and while downloading, check either you are downloading from the secure site. How can you judge a site is secure? HTTPS, Hypertext Transfer Protocol secure. If S is written and a green color lockpad is there, where on the address bar of your internet address bar of the browser, then that means you are downloading, you are at the secure site. So if you are downloading anything, it should be from a secure site. Use a pop-up blocker. Sometimes while using the internet, pop-ups are there. So you should use those pop-up blockers so that you cannot by mistake also you cannot click on that and result in any malicious attack of your system. So you always know that prevention is better than cure. So we have to follow the certain steps to make our computer prevent from any malicious or virus attack, right? Till this clear? Now let us go through some antivirus software, popular antivirus software you can install it on your system. This one is Norton, okay. and Kaspersky, AVJ, Microsoft Security Essential, Avira, Avast. Avast is the free antivirus software. Internet Security Suite, CA Internet Security Suite, F-Secure, ESET, Nord32. There are so many antivirus. Apart from this, there are many other antiviruses, and I think you should keep your system installed with an up-to-date antivirus. In fact, your phone also you should keep an antivirus installed in it. So I hope the concepts are clear till this. Revise part 1, part 2, and prepare well for your examination. Thank you.